Now we will be doing evaluate the multiple integral 0 to 1, 0 to x squared plus y squared dy dx. Earlier what we have done, both the inner integral and the outer integral were constants. Now the inner integral is a variable, outer integral always it must be a constant. Inner integral may be a variable or may be a constant. So I have taken up this problem. Now before proceeding, we will have to check if you are integrating with respect to y, the limit should be a function of x. If you are going to have like this, suppose if I have y squared, x squared plus y squared dy dx, then if the inner integration is with respect to y, I cannot have the limits in terms of y. So for that reason, if it is in the correct form, then we can proceed. Otherwise, you will have to make certain changes, which we will do it in the next problem. Now I will be integrating with respect to y. Integral 0 to x squared plus y squared dy, close the bracket, dx. Integral 0 to 1. When I am integrating with respect to y, keeping x as a constant. Keeping x as a constant, I will have to integrate. It is just like your partial derivatives. Okay, when you are differentiating with respect to x, you keep your y as constant. Similarly, when I am integrating with respect to y, I will keep my x as a constant. Therefore, x squared as it is, integral dy is y plus, what is integral of y squared? I think in unit 1, you should have done what is integral y squared dy. Y to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is y cube divided by 3. Basically, it is a formula, integral x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So y cube divided by 3. Substitute upper limit and lower limit 0 to x squared, and second integral is with respect to x. Integral 0 to 1, I am substituting the upper limit first, x squared into x squared plus x squared the whole cube divided by 3. This is only for the upper limit. Lower limit, I am substituting for 0, x squared into 0 plus 0 cube divided by 3. So close the bracket, dx. Of course, you all know that x squared multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 cube by 3 is also 0. So both the values become 0 in the lower limit. So we are having only the upper limit. Okay. So coming to the final answer, integral 0 to 1, x squared into x squared x power 4 plus x squared the whole cube. So a to the power m the whole power n is equal to a to the power mn, that is the law of exponents. So x power 6 divided by 3 dx. Now so far double integral, multiple integral has become the single integral. So term by term I am supposed to integrate. 1 by 3 can be taken outside, 0 to 1 x power 6 dx. So x power 5 divided by 5 between 0 to 1 plus 1 by 3 into x power 7 divided by 7 between 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. For the lower limit it becomes 0. For the upper limit 1 power 5 by 5, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 7 minus 0 by 7, and therefore this becomes 1 by 5 plus 1 by 21. All the most you are taking the LCM of 5 and 21 is 105. So this should be multiplied by 21 and this should be multiplied by 5 into 5 into 5 here into 21 into 21, and therefore you get 26 by 105 is the evaluation of the double integral 0 to 1 0 to x squared plus y squared dy dx.